guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a foundation review video, and today I am testing out the Maybelline Superstay Active Wear 30-hour foundation. So I've never tried out this foundation before, but I have tried out the other Superstay in the past. This is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour foundation, but this one is saying that it's 30 hours of wear and it's active wear. So a little bit different. I really like this foundation. It's very full coverage, but it is a little bit thick. So we'll see how it compares to this new one. So yeah, let's just get started. So first of all, I'm going to spray my face using the Barry M Flawless Hydro Fix Primer Water. So while that's drying, I'm just going to read out a few things that the foundation says. So it has up to 30 hours wear, full coverage, light as air feel, transfer resistant, seamless matte finish, and oil free. So mine is in the shade 01 Alabaster, which is the palest shade that they did. I'm hoping that it's full coverage because the last one, this one, is full coverage. So I'm hoping it's just as much full coverage. But like I said, the other formula was very thick. I'm hoping this is a thinner formula. But as you can see, I have a spot here, so I'm hoping that it does a good job of covering up that. And like normal with my foundation reviews, I don't put a primer on, just because I like to see how the foundation performs on its own. So yeah, let's just get started with it. And I'm going to be using the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Foundation Brush to apply it. Okay, so instantly, I've noticed it's extremely pale. I do have a slight tan at the moment, but it looks really pale. So, I don't know. We're going to have to wait and see. So I'm just looking in the viewfinder and I am so pale. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to really bronze up my face after this. And I don't even think it's that full coverage. I can't get coverage. Let's keep going. Okay, so I'm back and it just looks extremely pale, extremely dry on my face. My face looks really dry, cakey, and it's not even full coverage. So no, I would not say it's as good as this one. I actually think I'm just gonna put a little bit of this one on top just to darken my skin a little bit because it is just so bad. Look how much better the colour is on this one. This one is the Maybelline Superstay 24-hour in the shade 03 True Ivory. I know this is kind of cheating using two foundations, but they're kind of the same and I just had to have a bit more colour. I'm sorry, had to do it. Okay, so that's slightly better, but as you can still see, there is a difference between my face and my neck and chest. But it is better. But my skin is just so dry. It just looks so dry. So as a first impression goes, I really do not like this foundation so far. I think it was around about $9.99, so not too expensive. But full coverage matte foundations can be very hit or miss with me because sometimes I like a matte foundation, but I do have dry skin in certain areas of my face that matte foundations just do not work well with. So most of the time I just go for a normal foundation rather than matte. I thought it'd be more full coverage than this, and I thought it'd be less cakey and dry. So far not so good. But I will give it a fair shot because throughout the day I do have combination skin, so I have oily and dry. So my natural oil will come out throughout the day and hopefully it will look less dry and will look better. So we shall see. So I will give it a shot. But I'm going to finish up the rest of my makeup now off camera and then come back with my final thoughts. Okay, so I'm back with my full face of makeup and it looks slightly better. I have put bronzer on, not too much because I don't want to look crazy, but it looks slightly better in terms of colour. Now that I've got more products on, the cakiness and the dryness is still there, but it's not as bad now that the rest of my products are on. So I feel like throughout the day when my oily skin comes through, it's going to look even better again. So hopefully it won't look too bad. But still, as my first impression goes, I'm still not too keen on this so far. I won't be repurchasing it. I probably won't use it as it stands. But we will see. I will judge it throughout the day. So like normal with my foundation reviews, I'm going to check back in with you after 2 hours, 6 hours and 8 hours of wearing the foundation. And I will let you know my thoughts, what I'm thinking about it, how it looks, and I'll update that throughout the day for you. But so far not so good, so we shall see. So I will see you in 2 hours time and we will see how it's looking then. So see you then. Okay, so it's been 2 hours wearing the foundation and there's not a lot of change. The only change is that I've slightly become oily here, nothing major. But it's starting to look slightly better now that my natural oils are coming through. But it's only been 2 hours, so we shall see. But yeah, we'll see how it's looking in another 4 hours time, which will be 6 hours since I first applied it. So I'll see you then. Okay, so it's been 6 hours wearing the foundation and I'm very confused because I've looked in the mirror and look how oily my nose is. It's gone extremely oily, which is really strange because it was so drying and so cakey at the beginning. So strange. It's still cakey around here. But everywhere else doesn't look dry anymore. It's actually looking better now than it did before though, so that's good. But yeah, we'll see how it's looking for another 2 more hours. But yeah, so far it's getting better. It's not as bad as I thought it was. So we shall see in another 2 hours time. So see you then. Okay, so it's been 8 hours wearing the foundation and I just checked in the mirror and I'm just looking dry and cakey and I'm just not liking it at all. My verdict is that I don't like this foundation. It has got better throughout the day compared to when I first put it on, but I just don't like it. I'm not fussed on it. It's not as good as the previous Maybelline one. So unfortunately I guess a bit of a thumbs down from me, but that's just my opinion. It might work better for you, but that's just what I think. So yeah, thanks for watching. So that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!